Hi there, and in this video, we are in Theory Time Book 1, Lesson 11. Make sure you have your own workbook. I'll put a link where you can purchase a workbook easily down in the comment section below. You should have a blue workbook for this video and turn to page 32. I'm going to share my screen and let's take a quick look. This is talking now about time signatures. I'm going to go ahead and blast through this so that you can work on it on your own. I'm going to give you a few tips. Be sure you read everything. Don't just jump down to number 1. If something is in a box, read it and perhaps read it more than once. If something is in bold, focus on it. Maybe underline it. Let's read this first box together. A time signature. Notice time signatures in bold. You need to know what that is. A time signature is found at the beginning of a piece. It is found after the clef sign. A time signature tells us two things. A, the top number tells the number of beats in each measure. B, the bottom number tells what kind of note gets one beat. Now make sure you study this. Don't just read it and move on. Make sure you understand what is a time signature, where is it found. Make sure you know that it comes after the clef sign. Make sure you know what the top number tells us and what the bottom number tells us. If something's in a box, study it before you move on. The time signature is a symbol that represents the meter. Meter, look, it's in bold, is the way notes are written or played, keeping a steady beat. I'll add to that, it's the way the steady beats are organized in your music. In 4/4 time, that's the way we say it. In 4/4 time, 4, there's the top number, is 4 beats in a measure. Remember up here it said the top number tells the number of beats in each measure. Here's the bottom number, 4. 4 is the quarter note gets one beat. For a while, your bottom number is always going to be 4. So you can just remember the bottom number means 1. A quarter note equals 1. Now I'm going to help you with this beginning, and I'm going to leave you to work on the rest of this. Number 1 says, answer the following. Okay, 2, 4. Top number's 2, bottom number's 4. 2 equals blank beats per measure. Well, we studied the top number tells the number of beats in each measure. So that means 2 equals 2 beats per measure. You should write a 2 in your workbook. 4, remember the bottom number tells what kind of note gets one beat. And we studied that a 4 equals the quarter note gets one beat. So you can either draw a quarter note right there, or you can write out the word quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Let's go over here to the 3/4 time signature. That's how we read it. If we said, what is the time signature? We would say 3/4. 3 equals 3 beats per measure. Because remember, we said the top number tells the number of beats in each measure. The bottom number is 4. And remember, I told you for a while, 4 is going to be the bottom number always. Later, that will change. But for right now, we know quarter note gets one beat. Here we go with 4/4. 4 equals 4 beats in each measure. And the bottom number 4, the quarter note gets one beat. And here's another box. Say aloud. A 4 on the bottom means the quarter note gets one beat. Memorize that. Read that a few times. Now, question number 2. I like to say easy peasy lemon squeezy. Circle the top number of the following time signatures. Circle the 2. Circle the 3. Circle the 4. Circle the 3. Just circle each top number. So easy. Question number 3. Draw a line from each sentence to the correct time signature on the right. Look, there's 3 time signatures. There's 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Then they describe something here on the left. My favorite song has 4 beats in each measure. What is the time signature for my favorite song? 4 beats in each measure. I wonder what it is. Well, we know the top number tells us how many beats in each measure. Which one of these will you choose? I hope you chose 4/4. B. My new piece is written with only half notes. There is one half note in each measure. What is the time signature? Well, if you've been studying your theory correctly, then you know that a half note equals 2. And if there's only 2 beats in each measure, because each measure has only half notes, I wonder which of these time signatures matches part B. My new piece is written with only half notes. Did you discover it yet? 2/4. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Part C. I completed a piece called My Tricycle. Have you ever ridden a tricycle? How many wheels are on a tricycle? There's a clue. Has triangles. Triangles. How many angles are on a triangle? Or how many sides are on a triangle? There's a clue. I composed a piece called My Tricycle Has Triangles for Wheels. How fun would that be to try to ride that? It has 3 beats in each measure. What time signature should I use? 3 is your clue. Now don't just do it by process of elimination. I know that you've already used the 2/4 and the 4/4, but 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Can you imagine it? 3 beats in each measure. Okay, down to question number 4. Circle the correct answer. Let's see. The top number of the time signature tells what? The answers are up here. Remember, you need to study this box. What does the top number tell you? How many beats in a measure? Or what kind of note gets 1 beat? I hope that you decided that it was A. There you go. There is page 32 of lesson 11 in your theory book 1. Have fun with your theory. Your theory will make you a magnificent musician. Work hard on your theory. Study your theory. See you in the next lesson.